Hi, I'm Chef Matt Allishouse for Bard Valley Natural Delights, the world's finest medjool dates. Today we're doing a medjool date and cherry chicken salad. The natural sugars in our medjool dates are going to be a great sweetener for this savory salad. Also, their plump, firm texture is going to help build body to this recipe as well. We're going to start with the dressing. About a half a cup of mayonnaise. I prefer to use low-fat mayonnaise. A tablespoon and a half of granulated garlic. A tablespoon of lemon juice. And a tablespoon of fresh chopped tarragon. I'm going to add just a pinch of kosher salt, and then we're going to mix this together. The reason why we make this first is because we want all those flavors in this dressing to incorporate or blend while we're making our chicken salad. Set this off to the side, and now we're going to begin our salad. I'm starting with some roasted, diced chicken breast that I've chilled in the refrigerator, seasoned with a little salt and pepper, a tablespoon of diced shallots or red onions, diced cherries, chopped celery, and my favorite, toasted pistachios. Now you can substitute walnuts or almonds with this as well. And then I'm going to demonstrate how to do a quick large dice on our pitted date. You basically just want to quarter these dates. Dates have a high moisture content, so they have a tendency to stick together, so the larger the better. Plus, as I said earlier, the sweetness in this recipe is really going to come through with the element of the dates. Fold our dates in. Season with a little bit more salt and pepper. We're going to come back and fold in our dressing. Now I like to add a tablespoon at a time because you can always add more, but you can't take away. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons and give this a quick mix. You can see all that nice diced fruit. Those pistachios are going to add great texture to the salad as well. And I think 2 tablespoons is actually going to be perfect. Today I'm serving the salad on a wheat pita bread or a wheat pita pocket. You can serve this on your favorite bread. And we're just going to stuff our pita pocket with our salad. You could serve this with a nice mixed green salad or even a coleslaw. It's perfect for the summertime and the fall. If you're going to do it in the fall, I'd recommend instead of tarragon, maybe using a little fresh rosemary. And here you have our medjool date and cherry chicken salad, perfect for a summer afternoon. Like us on Facebook and look for us on bardmedjool.com.